Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. This video is a demo on how to use Trello for project management as well as for your personal use. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create a profile on Trello and how you can use it to create workspaces, and within workspaces how you can add boards and tasks as well. So let's get started. We are on the home page of Trello and you can see that sign up is completely free. This is a productivity powerhouse as it calls itself. And below you can see over here, these are all the uses of Trello that people use it for, and one of them is project management. Now let's sign up. Click the Get Trello for Free button on the top right side and you will end up on this page, which is a sign up page. You can use your Google or Microsoft or Apple or Slack account to sign up, or else just use your email address. That's what we're going to go ahead with. So put in your email address over here and click the Continue button. Then click on sign up, and if there is any reCAPTCHA or some verification that you need to do, just do it, and then you will be taken to this page where it'll be your dashboard. But before that, you will need to give your workspace a name. So let's just name it something like a daily tasks or something like that, just for demonstration purposes, and click on create your workspace. Let's skip this for now. And so this is how it's going to look like. Now you can see that we are on this workspace which we had created called daily tasks, and on the left sidebar you can see there are these options. Let's go ahead and create a new workspace. So when you click the create button, you've got these three options: create a board, start with a template, and create a workspace. Let's click create a workspace. You will need to enter a name for your workspace over here. I'm going ahead and creating something like beauty blog posts, and you can choose the workspace type. This is mandatory, so choose a type over here. I'm going to choose small business and then click the continue button. You can invite your team if you are using it for a team purpose, but let me just show you how you can use it for your personal use. So in case you're someone who does blog posts, you can create this kind of a workspace over here and make it in a private mode, and here you can create a new board. So let's create a board over here. You need to give your board a title. Let's give it the name research. Now once you're given a title, and then these are the other options, the workspace and visibility is set, click the create button and you'll be taken to the board that you just created, which is research, in this particular workspace in which it was created. Now you can see these are some of the listings over here, and you can edit the name of the list. Like over here you can change it to something that you want. I'm just typing in for search for topics, and this is how it will look like. So let's just change this one as well, and we're going to type in something like search for products. So that is the second list that we have created, and you can rename the lists over here. You can add another list as well, and that's how you work within a board inside a workspace. And this is how you can use Trello, the platform, for your personal use. So in case you're someone who writes for a blog, you can create these kind of lists, and if you click the three buttons, these are all the options. Under each list you can add a card. You can type in something. Let's type like search for some trending topics or something like that, and if you hit add card, it will get added. And if you click on the card itself, you have all these options over here. You can add a description, and to this card you can add members, labels, checklists. If you scroll down, there are some actions you can do like move, copy, delete, etc. Add a description. You can see the activity over here, and that's how you can maintain your personal space for whatever you're doing in your privacy. So here you're not adding any team members. Now let's go ahead and create a board for maybe if you want to invite your team members. Now I'm going to type in something like write a post. Hit create, and you can see that this is the board we are on right now. If you expand the left sidebar, you can see that both the boards are here. If you click these three dots on the right side, you have all these options. Now let's see how you can delete a board. On the left sidebar, you can click on a board and click close board, And over here, you have the option to delete the board as well. So that board has gotten deleted. As you can see over here, we just have one board. You can click over here to create a new board. And this time we're going to add a title over here like beauty product reviews. You can also give your board a background. We're selecting pink and then click the create button. And you can see the appearance itself has changed to pink. This is a very good feature of Trello because it'll help you distinguish between different boards within a workspace. Now this is how a board will look like, and let's see what you can do for your own purpose or personal use. So beauty product reviews. Now let's just change these lists, the names of these lists. We're going to create a workflow. Let's rename the first list as to write, then writing draft, draft done. Let's add one more as proofread and then one more as post done. So this is a workflow we have created. Now under to write, let's add a topic. We are writing in review of Points Moisturizer by hitting add a card. Once you have added a card, this is how it will look like. You can add a description. You can also make it labeled, like label it something with a color. You can see that there are various colors over here. You can edit these labels using this option. So I have named the green one as started, the yellow one I'm naming as pending, the orange one I'm naming as on hold, and the red one I'm naming as urgent or something like that. So that is the option with the labels. Then you've also got the options to add members. You can see the activities that has happened on this card as well. There are options like move, copy, make template, etc. And on the top, you can see that you can add a cover over here. You can also attach something to this card over here, like a link for reference or something like that. Now you can also add checklists. So we're going to add checklists like get pictures, get reviews. You can keep adding as many as you want. And once you close this, you can again open it and you can see the activities that have happened within this card like this. And once a task is done, you can move it from one list to the other and move it till the last till it is done. This is how you can use this platform for your personal use. These are the pricing plans of Trello. You can see that there are 4 plans. The first one is free and you get all these features. The main things that are good under the free plan is that it has unlimited cards and up to 10 boards per workspace. Then comes the standard plan at 5 USD and you've got all these features in it. Then the premium one at 10 USD and you've got all these features. And finally is the enterprise plan, which is at 1750 USD, and that needs to be set up by contacting the sales team on Trello. So based on your use, whether it's for team or personal use, you can select a plan and go ahead. So that's it about how you can use Trello for your personal use as well as for project management. We truly hope this video has benefited you. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. We will catch you soon in our next video. Till then, stay tuned and stay subscribed.